Hey, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I decided to do some chocolate-covered strawberry nails, just in time for Valentine's Day. But it doesn't have to be just a Valentine's Day look. I figured it was perfect for the occasion. So I started off with Tammy Taylor Gel-Legant Sea of Roses, and I used that red color on all of my nails as a base for the strawberry. This is the third coat of color. So make sure to apply it all evenly and then cure for 30 seconds. And then I'm taking Fizz, Clutch, and Giant of Mission Control. And I applied dots over all of my nails. This is what I'm using for the seeds, just white dots. And then I'm going to make them into little teardrop shapes. Now most of this will be covered, so you don't have to do the whole nail, but I just decided to because I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do the chocolate stripes yet. But like I said, after that I took a detail brush and I just pulled the tip of that dot upwards to make it into a little teardrop shaped seed. So just continue doing that on all four of those nails. And since Mission Control does cure without a tacky finish, you could have top coated and left this 3D, but I just wanted the chocolate to be 3D. So I did the seeds and then went ahead with green just to do the leaves at the top, and then I top coated so I'd have like a flat smooth surface and then the 3D chocolate stripes. So that's how I decided to do that. So with the leaves, I just line the cuticle and then I drag like 3 leaves upwards and just make sure I cover all of the sides just to make a cute little stem and make it look more strawberry-like. And then once that was on, I cured for 30 seconds and then I applied Flawless Finish. Like I said, just to make a nice smooth layer so that the chocolate stripes would really stand out. So once that was applied, I cured that for 45 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I went in with the white gel after I removed the tacky layer, and I put that on my pinky and I did 2 coats. So I put on 1 coat, flash cured, and then went in with a second coat. And then I put the brown chocolate color on my middle finger, and the same thing, did 1 coat, flash cured, and then went in for a second one, which just allows you to build up coverage. And then once that was cured, I took some white just to do some stripes, and I did like a couple main stripes, and then I cured, and then I came back, which really allows you to build texture and just make it more 3D, as it won't kind of flood into each other and it'll hold the shape a little bit better. So I just did it like that and just kind of did stripes side to side. And then I took the brown and I did that on top of the white on my pinky and on the ring finger as well. And I put a little bit of brown on top of the pointer finger just to kind of tie it all together. I wanted a couple different patterns, so I just kind of mixed and matched. And like I said, flash curing in between some different layers, about two layers of stripes for each nail. And then once that was all done, I cured it and it was completely done, not tacky at all. So I hope you enjoyed this nail art tutorial. There'll be links down below if you're interested, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!